तो मैं आज आया हूँ, फिर से मुझे लेना है iPhone 17 Pro Max 256 GB। तो ये आईफोन मैं लूँगा कुछ देर के बाद। और इस फ़ोन की प्राइस है यहाँ पर, ये बताइए, ये पावर का नाम है। ये फ़ोन की प्राइस है पावर स्टोर में 10,499 Danish krone हियर इन कोपेनहेगन डेनमार्क। सो ये यहाँ पे देखो, ये आईफोन लिया हमने और उसका ये प्राइस है। अब पे करेंगे हम पर, और फाइनल हो गया बिल रेडी। चल दिस आईफोन प्राइस इज 10,999 Danish krone as a Denmark currency. The orange color. Now we can make another video, that one is unboxing. Let's go. So here 17 Pro Max 256 gigabyte, the orange color.
भाई बहुत निशानेबाज है। ये तो बहुत बड़ा निशानेबाज निकला है भाई। कोई ठीक कोई कैसे चलेगी? है भाई, ये कैसे चलती है? ये कैसे चलता है?
It's amazing.
वो रिमोट उसका रिमोट इस रिमोट से नहीं चलती।
Inside the box, just only C to C charging cable and SIM remover, and that's it. Some of the magic booklet, that's it in the box. And here is our product. I just simply open here and boom, I just simply start from pressing this button. I just simply start. Here one SIM socket is also available, and look at this here. The quality of the product is much impressive. I have already in 17 Pro Max. So before touch my new phone, I just simply fix the screen protector as well. So I already purchased. It's very easy, and this screen protector I am purchasing from Amazon, and just simply remove this one. And now quickly set up for your new iPhone device. Like you look at this here, set up without another device or looking at new device. Here is a 14 Pro Max. And look at this here. If I want transfer here, automatically pop-up is showing old iPhone, and just simply say here. So look at this here, connecting automatic. This is my old iPhone and this is a new iPhone. I just simply scan this QR code, and now the old iPhone data, all the data transfer here in the new iPhone. Language setting process is going on. Now this process is going on. You need to spend here around half an hour, depend upon how much data you have in your old iPhone. All data is automatically coming here. Using this process, it's very easy to transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone. You can apply the same process for Android mobile as well. सब आ जाता ना भाई. Meanwhile, I purchased the back panel also for new iPhone. So I just simply fix this back panel. Look at this. Afterward, my phone transfer data is completed from old iPhone. The automatically restart after complete this transfer the data. We can wait couple of seconds to complete this process. And that's it. This is the unboxing and data transfer video. Hope you enjoy this video.